I'm fucking zooted right now in the fucking bathroom, dog. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm just recording this shit because I feel like I got so much fucking shit to say. And, like, you know what I'm saying? This is the only way that I'm gonna get it out.
Yeah. Can I get a little bit of reverb on my voice? I'm trying to hide from something, I just don't know what. Oh, it's not sad, baby. You know? Yeah, I saw a mountain, you know, across the horizon, and I got there, realized it was just a pile of rocks. Yeah, so goddamn, I wonder, yeah, and everybody hope that this song is not pressing as the last one was. Cause heaven smell like Nog Chomper, so come here, darling, ash my blunt. Waiting on hallucination, ain't a single fact I trust. Dear family, my sanity, go down when my cash go up. Rap too much, how the fuck I get through the verse? I came from house parties, find a bitch and go through her purse. Give me that. All I need is a little good pussy and a whole lot of universe. I met God before I ever stepped into a church, and that motherfucker still owe me money. Oh, I need a religion to follow. I swear to God that I got more problems than there is bitches in Carlo. Lord have mercy, a Lago. Yeah, and I don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to look into my parents' eyes when I'm scared to die. My eyes same color as a cherry pie. Whoa, she young terrified, crucifix heavy, who gon' carry mine? Yeah, what's with all this talk about hell and Satan? The sleep deprivation, this planet Earth and my hell's a basement. Ascension, a brand new me. Misconception between heaven and hell. What's between heaven and hell? Brand new me. Oh, it's the brand new me. Okay, if I could tell these kids one thing is make sure you handle your business. A criminal leave no witness. And don't ever trust these bitches. What happened to your life when your house become a home? Where your children at? Where your children at? You got 2 sons, all they do is fight you up through the night. Like gimme, 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 gimme that. Yeah. Nice titties, got a pic, gon' send me that. Send that books, can you get with that? Fuck rap, make $1 million off a shitty app. Yeah, smoke trees in the cab. Pittsburgh, show you where the city at. And don't forget that H, get you smacked in your face. Yeah. Got so many sons, I was young, now they half my age. 90K out in Portugal, smile on my face, backlit stage. My bitch bad shit crazy, and that shit fascinates me. Yeah, on my tongue where the tab is, and it burn like battery acid. I was in the backs of my classes, about a kid having asthma attacks, cause he panicked every single time he sat on his glasses. Every wonderland have an Alice. But I'm a king god, can I have a chalice? I'm demanding the truth, put your hands to the roof, be a man, that's a challenge. Ascension, challenge, are you up for that challenge? Yeah, everybody gotta have balance. Yeah, why you wanna do it like that? Misconception between heaven and hell. Salvation, in the underworld, right over heaven. But I gotta keep that bitch waiting. Fascinating. Oh, it's the brand new me. And that's fascinating. Please be a little patient. Oh, I ain't a doctor, could you be a little patient? Yeah, be a little patient. Everything will be okay then. You be a little patient. One world, one nation. You done waiting. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm still sipping moonshine. We discovered a new high. Me and German done this a few times. Yeah, but who's I now?
I gotta change my life.
Talk a lot of shit, but will you die now?
I just wanna cry over this shit.
What you gonna do when everybody just go die out?
Every day I think about
That's right.